Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 14, Elements, Compound and Mixture, and video number 28. In this video, we have to study how many different state of matter, what are the properties of matter, what bring about change of state of matter, and all substance have same properties. Then some definitions of substance, element, compound and mixture. This can be studied in this video. So classify the following substance according to their properties. That water is a liquid, soil is solid, and water vapor are gases. So water, thermocol, soil, iron, coal, paper, rubber, copper, coir and plastic. Classify following substance according to their properties. So matter means the term matter is also used in substance in scientific language. The single term is used for single concept, and that is object is made up of matter. The particulate nature of matter and properties of matter. So matter present in various things in solid, liquid and gaseous state is responsible for their properties. Even though they are divided into small particles, their particle due to which matter present in them remains same. So properties of such color, smell, color of chalk, blue color of ink and the fragrance of the perfume, and properties of matter of which each of them are made. Then what is mean by substance? Many kind of matter found in nature are in pure form, that they contain only one constituent. In scientific language, matter is made up of only one constituent is called substance. For example, gold, diamond, water, chalk, they are the substances. And other kind of matter are made up of two or more substances. These are called as mixture. So substance and mixture. Then element. Water droplet collected inside the lid of teapot are formed by the condensation of the vapor from the boiling water. So water is in form of vapor, is composed of extremely tiny particle, therefore we cannot see even them. So the substance whose molecule are made up of one or more atom which are exactly alike is called elements. The substance whose molecule are made up of one or two more atoms which are exactly alike are called as element. We do not get different substance by the decomposition of element. The smallest particle of the element are made up of only one type of atom. So today scientists have discovered 118 elements. Of this, 92 elements occur in nature while remaining are man-made. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, iron, mercury, copper are few important natural elements. More new elements being discovered through research work. Great scientist Democritus named small particle as atom because Greek language atomos means indivisible. And in 1803, John Dalton proposed his theory stating atom cannot be created or divided into small particle or destroyed. He used symbol to represent element. For example, copper, sulfur and hydrogen. Oxygen occur in nature in gaseous state. Two atoms of oxygen are joined to form molecule of oxygen which has independent existence. Oxygen in air is always in molecular state, just like atom molecules also can be seen with the naked eyes. So scientist Berzelius was first discovered to represent the method of using symbol for elements. Some elements and their symbols are listed in the table alongside. So element hydrogen is represented by capital H, helium is He, lithium is Li, beryllium is Be, boron is B, carbon is C, nitrogen is capital N, oxygen is O, fluorine is F and neon is Ne. Sodium is Na, magnesium is Mg, aluminium is Al, silicon is Si. So pair of letters is used to write the symbol. For example, we write C for carbon and Cl for chlorine. Then metals and non-metals. Elements are generally classified into two groups, metal and non-metal. We have studied that properties of metals such as malleability, ductility, conductivity of heat and electricity, density and luster and sonority. This is the property of metals. The elements that do not show these properties are called non-metal. For example, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. The element that shows some properties of metal and non-metal are called as metalloids. This is the third group of element. Arsenic, silicon and selenium are example of metalloids. Then compound. The substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements is called compound. The substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements is called compound. Then the German name Wolfram W is symbol for silver Ag and gold is Au are derived from their Latin names argentinum and arum respectively. Elements occur in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Some metals are difficult to use in pure form. For example, pure iron rust in air. Pure gold is very soft to bend easily. The properties of original metal can be modified by mixing one or two more elements. Then molecular formula. Molecule of compound is formed by chemical combination of atom of two or more elements. Therefore, molecular formula is used to represent compound. So, please like, subscribe